The next report we're going to open up is the profit and loss standard, also called the P&L. So we're going to go to Reports, Company and Financial, choose Profit and Loss Standard, first one in the list. And the dates are from the first of the month, 02/01/19, tab 02/28/19. So the whole month of February 2019. Notice the following expenses that you entered in this case now show up on this report. Advertising expense, $100. Depreciation expense on the furniture, $100. Depreciation expense on the computers, $60. Insurance expense, $200. Office supplies expense, $175. Design supplies expense, $119.50. And then towards the bottom, interest expense, $50. Notice your interest expense needs to be considered an other expense. The reason it is considered an other expense is because this expense is not considered to be the main part of the company. So it's a minor expense, so we list it as an other expense, and therefore it will be listed at the bottom of the profit and loss. Now, if your interest expense does not appear at the bottom of the profit and loss, it's most likely because you have classified it as an expense instead of an other expense. So I will show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to the chart of accounts. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where there's interest expense. I'm going to single click on interest expense, and then I'm going to click on account and edit, or I could just right click on the account and then edit. And then notice up here under account type, it's an other expense. If you have it listed as an expense like this, then when I go back to the profit and loss and refresh it, it is now part of the main expenses of the company, and we did not want that, so I will go back and fix that. So make sure you have categorized interest expense as an other expense. And then it's fixed again. It's down at the bottom under the category called Other Income / Expense.